Don't call me. Don't come by my house. We're done.
Crocodildo, penisini, pepperoni, masturbini, trippi troppa crocodini, dildo, 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 dini, dildo, dini, dildo, dildo.
That's right. I'm back, bitches.
I'm Batman. I live in the shadows. Justice. For Gotham!
Hey guys, I guess that's it.
My name is Optimus Prime. We are autonomous robotic organisms from the planet Cybertron. But you can call us Autobots for short.
Do something! Do something right!